I've decided that I won't continue in the Giro this year. At this stage I've already done a lot of racing with Tour of Turkey prior to the Giro, and I think the big objectives are still to come. I'm very happy with what I've taken from the Giro here with the third place and also 2 other top 10, so that's promising for the future. And with the Tour de France and Tour de Suisse coming up, I think some big objectives.
Yesterday you've shown that you can get close to Cavendish in a sprint. Is that something you look forward to for the Tour de France?
Yeah, exactly. I showed that I'm very competitive and can be up there in the sprint. So, I think in the Tour de France it's different sprinting to the Giro, much more higher speed, like the sprint we saw yesterday with Cavendish win. So, I think there's still some good chances for me coming up.
Is that more for you with more high speed? Because yesterday it was very long, straight and high speed. Eh?
Yeah, definitely. That's much more a Tour de France traditional sprint stage, very high speed, and once you have the position, that's basically where you stay.